National Weather Service in Goodland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Cheyenne County in northwestern Kansas until 6:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:50 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 4 miles southeast of St. Francis, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of Cheyenne County in northwestern Kansas, including the following locations: Wheeler. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county: Cheyenne, Kansas,